Hello Bladers! Ever dreamed of having your own car? What comes into your mind? How about your dream car? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here in our country we are dominated by Japanese cars. Just look outside and you'll get to see a lot of Japanese brands. But, if ever you will dream for a car, like me, nothing beats German cars. German engineering at its finest. Here is our list of the top 5 German cars. Dream on. Number 1, the BMW M3. This model series has been one of the prime example for German muscle cars during the late 80s. Despite this being vintage, it is considered to be quite expensive now even without its speed. Number 2, the Porsche 944 Turbo. Being one of the evolutions from the 911 quintessential Porsche, it could not top the impact of the old versions, and it cannot single-handedly support and carry the brand. That is why 944 was actually created. It is known for the front water-cooled 4-cylinder engine which made an impact into becoming the important model. Number 3, the Opel Diplomat V8 Coupe. Opel brand had become known for its luxurious model which is the Diplomat. While the base versions got 2.8-liter, 6-cylinder, the top-of-the-line Diplomat Coupe got Chevrolet's 327 V8 engine. With this, the overall design and physical appearance was inspired by reminiscing Chevrolet's mid-size and full-size models. Number 4, the Audi S47. Of course Audi did not want to miss out on the motor vehicle transformation. To compete with the C-Class AMG and BMW M3, Audi introduced the S4. This model is known for its compact 4-door executive sedan or wagon with powerful engines. To consumers, it seemed like an attempt to catch up with Mercedes and BMW. Number 5, the BMW M2. As for BMW, the current M3 and M4 models were standing out in terms of power, performance and price, so BMW decided to introduce an affordable, but still fast 2-door coupe which is very appealing to the consumer. The 2015 M2 is one of the best driver's cars on the planet. With a combination of BMW driving dynamics, German quality and M-Power heritage, it is the modern equivalent of the legendary 2002 Turbo and a pure German muscle car. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the German cars you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.